Most people who Google Barndominium cost walk away thinking they can build a luxury home for $60,000. Then they break ground and suddenly they're $40,000 over budget with bare concrete walls and no kitchen. Here's the truth nobody says. The shell is cheap. The interior is where your money goes, and where most first-time Barndo builders get destroyed. If you know exactly where to spend and where to pull back, you can build a genuinely stunning Barndominium interior for under $80,000 in 2026. Real numbers, not Pinterest fantasy. I spent weeks digging through contractor quotes, builder forums, and 2026 cost reports. Today I'm giving you the full breakdown, line by line, so you walk into your build knowing where every dollar goes. Stay to the end. I'm revealing the 3 budget killers most Barndo builders never see coming, and the 3 moves that get you to $77,800. Let's get into it. The myth that kills budgets. Before numbers, we need to destroy the most dangerous myth in the Barndominium world. The headlines say, build a Barndominium for $30 to $50 per square foot. Technically real, but that covers only the steel kit and the shell. No plumbing, no electrical, no HVAC, no insulation, no drywall, no flooring, no cabinets, no countertops, no fixtures, no trim. That figure gets you a metal box. Beautiful from the outside, dirt floor on the inside. According to 2026 data from Angie and Home Guide, interior finishing materials alone average around $68,000 for a standard build, and climb fast when you reach for luxury. Our goal, a 1,200 square foot Barndominium interior, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open concept kitchen, and living space. Magazine worthy, under $80,000. Here's exactly how. The line-by-line budget. Flooring, $8,500. You already have a concrete slab, your first advantage over traditional home builders. 2 great options, polish and stain concrete at $3,000 to $4,500, which is industrial, durable, and on trend for 2026, or luxury vinyl plank at $3 to $5 per square foot installed, mimicking real hardwood with better moisture resistance. The $8,500 covers LVP in living areas and bedrooms, tile in bathrooms, with room to spare. Your first luxury signal the moment guests walk through the door. Insulation, $7,200. Never cut corners here. A poorly insulated steel Barndominium is an oven in summer and a freezer in winter. Spray foam is the industry standard. Seals the steel envelope, eliminates condensation, delivers R13 or better. Professional application for 1,200 square feet runs $6,000 to $8,500. Budgeting $7,200 for a 2-inch closed cell application that protects your comfort and your energy bills for decades. Drywall and interior walls, $6,800. Drywall runs $1.50 to $3.50 per square foot of wall surface. For a 1,200 square foot Barndo with 14-foot ceilings, you're looking at 3,500 to 4,000 square feet of wall surface. At a blended $1.75 of materials and labor, that's $6,800. Hanging, taping, mudding, and prime coat. Pro tip: keep your interior wall count low. Every wall you eliminate is $400 to $700 back in your pocket. An open concept is exactly what Barndominiums are built for. Kitchen, $18,500. The kitchen is where luxury is made or destroyed. Here is how to spend $18,500 without waste. Cabinets, $7,000. Skip custom entirely. Ready to assemble RTA cabinets with plywood construction, and Shaker doors deliver a custom look at half the price. Full set, uppers, lowers, island, runs $5,500 to $7,500. Add $200 in matte black hardware, and your kitchen looks architect designed. Countertops, $3,200. Quartz is the luxury standard in 2026. It mimics marble, requires zero maintenance, and photographs beautifully. Budget quartz from direct fabricators runs $60 to $80 per square foot installed, 40 linear feet, $3,200. Appliances, $4,800. A stainless steel package, refrigerator, 5-burner gas range, over-range microwave, dishwasher, from discount retailers or prior year models runs $4,500 to $5,000. The goal is not cheap appliances, it is smart sourcing. Prior year models from name brand manufacturers deliver full performance at 20 to 30% off retail. That is how you get a luxury kitchen at a non-luxury price. Backsplash, farmhouse sink, matte black bridge faucet and install, $3,300. Subway tile is timeless and DIY friendly in a weekend. The farmhouse sink and bridge faucet is the signature detail that anchors the entire kitchen aesthetic. Quick note, if you're planning a Barndo build and want more cost breakdowns like this, hit subscribe. We publish one of these every week. And next week, I am breaking down the 5 floor plan mistakes that cost builders $12,000 each on average. You do not want to miss it. Bathrooms times 2, $14,000. 2 bathrooms at $7,000 each. Per bathroom. Floating 48-inch vanity with integrated sink and matte black hardware at $700. Comfort height dual flush toilet at $400. Walk-in shower with large format porcelain tile, linear drain, and range shower head at $2,400. Large format tile installs faster than mosaic, meaning less labor and a cleaner result. Flooring tile, vanity lighting, towel bar, shower glass, and finish work at $1,600. 2 bathrooms, $14,000. They will look like a boutique hotel. HVAC/mini splits, $7,500. For 1,200 square feet, a multi-zone mini split system is the smartest HVAC investment available. No ductwork, zone-by-zone control, outstanding energy efficiency. A 3-zone system, living area, bedroom wing, primary suite, runs $6,500 to $8,500, installed in 2026. Budgeting $7,500. Do not shave this line. A bad HVAC setup in a metal building means mold, condensation, and years of misery. Electrical and lighting, $9,500. Electrical is never DIY. Licensed electricians run $50 to $130 per hour in 2026. For modern panel recessed lighting, pendants over the kitchen island, under cabinet LEDs, and exterior outlets, labor and materials run $8,500 to $11,000. Budgeting $9,500. Key insight: $500 or $5,000 in fixtures produces the same visual result if you source smart. Allocate $1,200 for fixtures within this budget. Interior doors and trim, $4,200. Door slabs with hardware run $155 to $300 each installed. 7 to 9 doors for this layout, $2,200. Clean 3.5-inch baseboards and simple door and window casing. Materials and labor for 1,200 square feet, $2,000. This is the detail that separates a finished home from a construction site. Plumbing, $8,800. Licensed plumbers run $45 to $150 per hour in 2026. Combined rough-in and finished plumbing for 2 bathrooms and a full kitchen runs $7,500 to $10,000, allocating $8,800. Critical rule: all underslab plumbing must be completed before concrete is poured. Revise after the slab is down and you are cutting concrete. $2,000 to $5,000 minimum per change. Lock in your layout before a single cubic yard of concrete is ordered. Paint, $2,500. Professional interior painting for 1,200 square feet runs $2,000 to $3,500, allocating $2,500. DIY saves $1,500 to $2,000. Color strategy: warm whites on main walls, one deep accent wall, navy, forest green, or charcoal in the living area or primary bedroom. Zero added material cost. Maximum visual impact. The total. Here is your complete 2026 luxury Barndominium interior budget for 1,200 square feet. Flooring, $8,500. Insulation, $7,200. Drywall and walls, $6,800. Kitchen, $18,500. Bathrooms times 2, $14,000. HVAC/mini splits, $7,500. Electrical and lighting, $9,500. Interior doors and trim, $4,200. Plumbing, $8,800. Paint, $2,500. Subtotal, $87,500. Now, before you close this tab, here is what matters. $87,500 is your starting point, not your finish line. These figures reflect national 2026 averages. If you're building in a rural market, West Texas, the Ozarks, Appalachia, labor typically runs 15 to 20% below these numbers, which makes this budget even more achievable where it counts. Stick with me for the next 90 seconds. 3 specific moves bring this to $77,800, not $80,000. Not theory, the 3 budget killers. Before we get to savings, you need to know what kills them, because the same builders who planned $80,000 end up at $110,000, and it is almost always one of these 3 things. Budget killer 1, changing the floor plan after the slab is poured. Every revision, moving a wall, relocating a bathroom, shifting the island, costs $3,000 to $8,000 in rework and lost labor hours. Finalize your layout before a single cubic yard of concrete is ordered. No exceptions. Budget killer 2, going custom on cabinets and countertops simultaneously. Builders who do both watch their kitchen balloon from $18,000 to $35,000 or more. Pick one splurge. Countertops if you entertain. Cabinets if you cook. Never both at full price. Budget killer 3, skipping the contingency fund. 5% of $80,000 is $4,000. Your buffer against permit revisions, utility surprises, subgrade issues, and freight delays. Build it in. Every time. Non-negotiable. 3 moves that break the $80,000 barrier. Now that you know what to protect against, here's exactly how to take the $87,500 subtotal down to $77,800 without cutting a single luxury element. Move 1. Strategic DIY on 3 tasks. Paint your own interior, $2,000 saved. Install the LVP flooring yourself, $1,500 saved. Assemble and hang your RTA cabinets, $1,200 saved. 3 weekends of focus work for $1,700 total saved. New subtotal, $82,800. Move 2. Source Smart. Prior year appliance models from scratch indent retailers and direct RTA cabinet suppliers trim $2,000 to $3,000 from the kitchen alone. Factory direct quartz fabricators beat big box pricing by 20 to 30% consistently. Combined savings, $3,000. New subtotal, $79,800. Move 3. Polish concrete over LVP in the main living area. Polished and stained concrete runs $3,000 to $4,000 versus $5,500 for LVP at scale, saving $2,000 and, frankly, producing a more premium-looking floor for a Barndominium aesthetic. Final total, approximately $77,800, under $80,000. Luxury kitchen, boutique bathrooms, spray foam insulation, multi-zone mini-split HVAC, licensed plumbing and electrical, real roadmap, not theory. A luxury Barndominium interior under $80,000 in 2026 is absolutely real. If you plan precisely, source smart, DIY strategically, and protect your budget like is the only thing standing between you and the home you have spent years imagining, the Barndominium remains one of the last legitimate paths to a custom, high-quality home without custom home prices. The 2026 market is tough. Labor and materials have not gotten cheaper. But the core advantages, pre-engineered steel, open concept freedom, faster build timelines, are still completely real. You now know more about Barndominium interior costs than most contractors will ever tell you. Use it. Drop a comment with the one-line item that surprised you most. I read every one. Subscribe. Next week, I am breaking down the 5 Barndominium floor plan mistakes that cost builders $12,000 each on average, and how to avoid every single one. See you in the next.